India's aging population is rising quickly, creating a growing need for trained caregivers. At the same time, millions of women across rural and peri-urban India are searching for stable, dignified work. Life Circle bridges these realities by creating meaningful caregiving jobs for women, empowering them financially while improving the quality of elder care across the country. Women naturally bring compassion, patience, and emotional understanding to caregiving, qualities essential for seniors' well-being. Yet many women in India face barriers when entering formal employment, from limited mobility to childcare responsibilities. Caregiving offers them a flexible, community-based career that aligns with their strengths and provides a path to financial independence. When women earn, entire families rise with them. Income from caregiving helps support children's education, access to healthcare, and overall household stability. Through Life Circle's women-focused caregiving jobs, thousands of families across India have experienced greater financial security and improved quality of life. Life Circle's Care Vidya Academy equips women with everything they need to become professional caregivers. Training includes hygiene, mobility assistance, nutrition, dementia care, and palliative support. Women learn through a mix of classroom instruction and supervised practical sessions. Each batch trains between 30 and 60 women, and thousands have already been trained across multiple states. With the CareTube app, women continue to learn long after their classroom training ends. The app offers on-demand videos covering dementia support, safety protocols, emergency response, and more. This digital upskilling ensures caregivers stay confident, consistent, and prepared for any situation. Life Circle connects trained women caregivers with families who need support at home. Women can work as full-time caregivers offering 24/7 assistance, part-time caregivers working 8 to 12 hours a day, or specialized caregivers trained for dementia, palliative care, and post-surgical recovery. Earnings typically range from 18,000 to 45,000 rupees per month, with higher pay for advanced skills. Across India, women are transforming their lives through caregiving. A homemaker from Hyderabad trained at Care Vidya Academy and now earns 25,000 rupees every month as a dementia caregiver, proudly funding her children's education. In Bihar, a young woman from a farming family trained and was deployed to Delhi, becoming her family's first salaried earner and lifting them into financial stability. Every caregiving job supports an entire household while improving healthcare access for seniors. Women gain dignity, respect, and independence, becoming role models in their communities. As more women join caregiving, they inspire others, strengthen local economies, and improve quality of care for India's growing senior population. Life Circle aims to train 50,000 women caregivers annually by the year 2030. The organization is expanding Care Vidya Academy centers across 10 states and building partnerships with NGOs, CSR programs, and government bodies. Women caregivers also gain pathways to grow into nursing, supervisory roles, or international caregiving careers. Here are a couple testimonies from current Life Circle clients. Sushma R. from Bangalore and Rajesh K. Pune. Caregiving is more than a job, it is a mission that brings dignity to seniors and empowerment to women. Life Circle is proud to lead this transformation by creating jobs for women, professionalizing caregiving, and building an ecosystem that benefits both families and society. To learn more, visit lifecircle.in, call 079713674041, or download the Life Circle app. Please like and subscribe for more elder care videos.